Simone watches Two Girls, One Cup.
Videotape it from the angle of the computer, like towards you guys.
Yeah, I don't want the internet to see this. Alright.
I'm scared.
You should be.
Okay, that's disgusting.
It's not even close to as bad as you think it is.
Ew! Oh god!
Wait. Hejdå, gå iväg!
I'm so glad I don't have to watch
Oh my god! Ew! They're eating poop! Oh! Oh my god, that's disgusting!
Take it like a man. Take it like a man! Don't look
I
away!
don't want to take it like a man.
Watch it!
Ah!
Watch
That's
it!
what she said.
Shut up, Gabe. It's lagging like hell.
Oh.
Oh,
I'm gonna throw up. I'm gonna throw up.
Let it happen. Let it happen. Why the hell is it
throw up on your
lagging?
bed, you know.
Oh, well, it's
Seriously
lagging.
about to-
You have about a 5-second break before I turn back on.
No,
so
because I'm gonna throw up on your.
you're gonna.
Go get.
You are the one who
Go
wanted.
get a container.
You
Go
wanted
get a
to see
container.
this.
Go
You-
get a container. Go get a container.
It's right there. You wanted to see this. You wanted to see it. You brought this on yourself. You brought it on yourself. Oh god, look at the video for like 1 second. Oh my god. You get over here. Hey, hey, back. Get.
Oh god. Oh god. Oh god.
That was a beautiful reaction.
I just threw up.
Gross.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Like, am I the only one smart enough not to watch the video?
Oh, that made me so happy.
Fuck you. I fucking hate you.
Oh my god. I can't breathe.
I fucking hate you. Don't ever let me have ideas again.
No.
My stomach hurts. Oh my god. I almost passed out from
Dave,
laughing
shut
so
up.
hard. Oh no. Oh my god. Did you just... Okay then. I'm gonna go hide.
No.
No.
Yes.
Think about the sound.
Well, I reduced her to rocking back and forth. Best video ever.